Hello, my name is Tato. We have practiced to speak English, but we can speak well. Please teach me English. Today, he playing with the construction site toys. It's Tommy. Oh, great. Oh, the yellow school bus is coming. Although it is a construction site. He made all the parts he put together, connected the all of thing. That's nice. You making the construction site? Wow, oh, nice. You're a great maker. Wow. You lifting the school bus by crane? Oh my god. Amazing. Do you lift up the... Oh! It's amazing. Great. You put the school bus to the upstairs and down to the first, second floor and go down by the slope to the slope, down the slope. It's nice. Oh, it's a parking area? Yes. Oh. Next. Oven. It's a dump truck. He's the expert of the construction site. Wow. He bring the money. Yeah, crane.
Crochet side.
Crane.
Crochet side. The crochet side.
It's nice.
The crock side.
Side.
Crochet side.
Crochet side.
Mom. Daddy.
Oh, you go
Daddy.
cold. I'm coming. Like this, we practice to speak English, but we can speak well. Please teach me English. Bye.
The other person.